Welcome to Madagascar, an island nation located off the southeastern coast of Africa in the Indian Ocean. Madagascar is the fourth largest island in the world, covering an area of approximately 587,000 square kilometers. The island is renowned for its unique biodiversity and diverse landscapes. From the lush rainforests of the eastern coast to the dry deciduous forests in the west, Madagascar's varied ecosystems are home to many species found nowhere else on Earth, including the famous lemurs and baobab trees. Madagascar's central highlands dominate the island's geography, with peaks reaching up to 2,876 meters at Maromokotro, the highest point. The western part of the island features extensive plains and savannas, while the eastern side is characterized by narrow coastal plains, steep cliffs, and deep gorges. As of 2024, Madagascar has a population of around 30 million people. The capital city, Antananarivo, is located in the Central Highlands and is the